Proper opening and closing of roll-up doors. There are proper methods for opening and closing your door to maintain the best working condition. To lock and unlock the door, step on the handle as shown. Slide the hasp into locked or unlocked position. When the door is unlocked, it should be raised approximately 12 inches off the ground. Then push up on the middle of the door curtain to completely raise the door. If tensioned properly, the door will open with ease and stop firmly at the head stops. When closing the door, pull down on the rope until you're able to grab the handle, push down, and then transfer your force to the curtain to completely close the door. You will need to step on the handle to compress the bottom astragal and to slide the lock hasp closed. Remember, to lock and unlock the door, always step on the handle. Adjusting the tension. Over time, it's possible for the springs to relax. Therefore, always check the tension before renting a unit. The spring tensioning device that comes standard on all doors makes this virtually effortless. Raise and lower the door to test the door balance. If the door is easy to close but hard to open, it's considered cold and you'll need to add additional spring tension. If the door is hard to close but easy to open, it's considered hot and you'll need to remove the excess spring tension. For a cold door that needs additional tension, offset the balance of the door by positioning the bottom bar 10 inches below the opening header. Carefully insert the winding bar or a 1/2 inch diameter rod into the ratchet tension device located on the left bracket. Slowly rotate the tension device in a clockwise direction until the door begins to open and the ratchet clicks and locks into the next position. For a door that's hot, place the curtain in a fully open position. Insert the winding bar into the tensioner and apply a slight amount of pressure so that you can carefully lift the ratchet pawl. Then, while rotating the tension device in a counterclockwise direction, carefully release the pawl to allow it to lock into the next available groove. Proper rope application. The rope should be secured through the 2 holes located at the center of the bottom bar angle. A double knot should be used on both ends to secure the rope. For additional safety, we recommend you tie an additional knot in the center of the rope, forming a small circular handle out of the rope for easy pulling. General maintenance. Cleaning should be a standard part of your door maintenance routine prior to renting a unit. With today's doors, a key feature is the enclosed axle assembly, which calls for very little maintenance. Inside the barrel, the springs are pre-greased and the drums have sealed ball bearings. This has eliminated the issue with spring breakage and excessive wear on the axle when rotating the door. It also eliminates the opportunity for grease or other lubricants to drip on the renter's items. There are a few maintenance steps that should be performed for optimum wear. First, sweep any debris from the guides with a broom throughout the length of the tracks. Make a general check that all fasteners are in a secure position, and then use a rag that has been sprayed with the silicone solution to wipe down the guide strips. This will help to ensure the roll-up door operates as smoothly as possible. Swing door maintenance. There's very little maintenance required for swing doors. When opening or closing the swing door, you will need to push slightly to enable the slide on the lock to open. Once open, check the fasteners on the hinges to ensure they're secure. With the current design of swing doors, there's no longer a need to check for sharp edges. As you can see by following these steps properly, you will have the best operating door in the industry.